Here I have ALCATEL U3, and today I'm going to show you how to remove battery from this device. So to do this, you just have to remove the back cover from your device first. You make it like this. You have a hatch here, and then just remove battery like this. And as you can see, now I have my ALCATEL, and here I have my battery. Then to put it back in, just make it like this and put back cover back on and turn your device to. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.